Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It is October 6 today. So that means it's my birthday! Saya? Masaya lang. Today, I am officially off my 20s. Wow! Paka-react. Onting-onti na lang, wala na ako sa kalendaryo. We are preparing to check out na dito sa Airbnb and we will be transferring to a new accommodation. So we are going to Shangri-La, Mactan. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Shangri-La. Bale, binigay lang namin yung IDs namin. Then, may lalapit dito sa amin for check-in. Then, since, ayun, senior si Mama and then si Gab naman, PWD, i-avail namin yung discount na meron sila. Bale, for Mama, i-apply namin yung senior discount niya dun sa room itself. And then, si Gab naman, yung PWD discount niya as an additional person. Tapos, meron din silang welcome drinks. Ano to? Calamansi juice. So, lahat kami meron. The room discounted siya 20% for the senior, and then the third person will be discounted din po 20%. Okay? So we are now going to our room na. Actually, we were able to check in early. Kung mabilis lang sana kami kumilos, we could have checked in at 10 a.m. Kasi ang free of charge na early check-in starts at 10 a.m. onwards. Kasi diba ang standard check-in is at 2 p.m. But yeah, it's almost 12. Pero ayan, check-in na kami sa room namin. Ooh! Ang taray.
Tadaan! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ano to?
Happy birthday. Happy.
Is this a surprise?
Yeah.
Hala.
Hello. This is Sam's 30th birthday.
What's this? Bakit congrats?
Mali ng lagay.
Congrats.
Lagay.
Congrats yung sa kalagay.
Bakit?
Ikaw ba to?
No. Thank you, Shin.
Wow. Thank you. Congrats saan?
On your birthday. Congrats on your birthday.
Oh my gosh. May ano, kasama ba talaga to? Wine? Wow. May pa-cake pa.
Oh, room tour ka na.
Wait.
With all the cream.
I'll just give you a quick room tour. This is the deluxe room. I think this is the cheapest room din, no, that they have. Upon entering, syempre, ito lang yung kanilang CR. Very standard actually. Even sa EDSA Shangri-La, ganito din actually yung room. Wala namang malaking difference about it, no. Pero yeah, all the standard stuff. Dahil nag-additional person kami, meron ding additional toiletries na binigay sila. So that's good. And most especially, no, ang una namin chine-check ay yung bidet. And yes, they do have a bidet here. Siyempre, napaka-importante niyan as a Pinoy, no. But here, ano lang, yes, shower area lang. Wala nga actually rain shower eh, pero yeah, that's okay for us. Then here, you also have just like those closets, no? But you have a full-sized mirror dito. And I think, ayan, mga bathrobes, slippers. Now this actually you can take home with you. That's free. Yan, standard things. And also this one, you can take that home with you. We use that then. And then dito, ayan. So, provided naman yung iron. So, hindi ka na problema. Mamlansya. But, yeah, ito. So, yung balloons, no, hindi siya kasama talaga normally sa room. They got a birthday package nga daw, courtesy of Shein, so thank you very much. We have 2 beds here, as per our request. TV, usual things, may birthday cake, kasama din yan, dun sa birthday package. And meron din silang complimentary na water here, 4 bottles naman na siya. Meron din dito mga parang snacks, pero may bayad yan. And then, I think complimentary din tong mangoes na to. And meron lang dito na ref. Ayan, may mga drinks, but may bayad yan. Since this is the cheapest na room din na meron, so you don't get much view. Greeneries lang siya. Medyo maaninag mo dito yung ocean. We will just be staying here for 1 night lang. Talagang gusto lang namin mag-celebrate ng birthday sa magandang hotel din. Ang plans lang namin is magla-lunch na kami since it's lunchtime already. It's 12:16 already. And then, ayun, bababa kami. And then, I think after, we are just going to chill, magsiswim. I-maximize namin yung mga amenities dito. Actually, madaming activities kang pwedeng gawin. Pero, syempre, not all of those are free, no? May bayad siya. I think, meron ditong mga water activities, kayak, paddleboarding, jet ski. And meron din na sila actually golf. Meron din yung mga typical na meron sa mga Shangri-La hotels. Meron din mga jacuzzi. And meron din silang, you know, pools. Pero this time, syempre, dahil nasa Mactan kami, meron ding beach. May nakita ako dito. Ito, for adults, complimentary activities. Tapos ayan, may mga ano siya. Tapos nakalagay naman dito kung ano yung may parang additional na charge. So, yung kanilang play area for the kids. Meron din silang entertainment zone aside sa parang adventure zone for the kids. Kasi punta na kami sa Buka Bar. Hindi masyadong madami yung tables and chairs dito. And we are actually seated na dito sa labas banda and medyo mainit, no? Very tirik na tirik yung araw. But thankfully, ganun yung weather. Order lang kami dito for our lunch. So we were able to transfer tables dito sa medyo loob, pero medyo mainit pa rin sa side ko. Pero mas maayos yung roof dito. And naka-order na rin kami. And of course, expect the prices to be a bit high. Mataas talaga. Like for the burgers, umabot siya ng mga 800. Yung in-order din ni Gab is inasal, which is I think mga nasa 700 pesos. Guys, sobrang laki. Mukha ko na to. Halos kasing laki ng mukha ko. So, siguro yun nga, if you will be eating here, oo, mahal siya, pero parang pang 2 tao yung serving. Even actually yung kay Gab, ang laki ng chicken nung inasal niya. Fairness naman, masarap siya. Yung kay Mama, interesting yan. Black yung bun. Ayan, tapos na kami mag-lunch and inabutan kami ng ulan. So medyo malakas na kasi yung ulan ngayon. No? Hindi nga nagpapabasa siya. Basa na siya. Matawa siya. Gusto siguro niya. Nagpahiram sila ng umbrella sa amin. Ayan. Tapos na kami mag-prepare ngayon. Labas naman na kami. First, we will be going to the beach. and then magpo-pool kami after. Sorry, medyo nagfa-fog yung lens. So we're just walking na. Going to the beach. Actually, ito, malapit sa beach, may pool na dito. Then, meron ding pool, actually, malapit doon sa kinainan namin kanina. This is yung view namin ngayon habang naglalakad. Ayan. Medyo hindi ganun ka ano. Well, you know, it's not Boracay, pero ang daming tao dito. So, let's see if pwede kaming umikot dito. Kasi parang wala namang harang dito eh. Kahit may pa-wedding dito. Ano, no, yung sand, mabato siya. Pero, ano naman siya, light naman yung color niya. So, dito madami. Tapos, wala gaanong tao dito. Good thinking tayo dito. Very smart. Hi! Medyo mabato yung ano din, dun sa water. Siguro, dapat naka-aqua shoes para mas comfortable kayo nakakapunta sa water. Mababaw lang naman dito. Somehow clear siya. May kita mo may mga isda na lumalangoy. Actually, ano, nakaupo lang kami. Pero mababaw lang siya.
Pagpanggap.
So ito, meron din silang parang forecast for today. Then pupuntahan naman namin yung isang pool area. Ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So doon banda, doon yung kanilang beach. And actually, itong restaurant na to, ito yung Aqua. Dito kami nagpa-reserve. Italian restaurant siya dito. It is now 7:49. Papunta na kami sa Aqua. May reservation kami ng 8 p.m. Bale, nag-wash up lang kami, nag-prepare, and then, ayan, I already tasted the wine na kasama dun sa birthday package kanina. Actually, sa totoo lang, pinoproblema namin kung anong gagawin namin sa wine kasi hindi naman siya mauwi. So, anong gagawin ko? Lalaklakin ko ba siya ngayong gabi? Alamin mamaya. So, nakapag-order na kami dito sa Aqua, and the food ranges from 700 to 6,500, I think. Yun yung pinaka-expensive kasi yun yung mga steaks nila, yung mga Wagyu steaks. Nag-order kami ng iced tea. It was around 200 pesos na. And yun, and of course, given na nasa hotel tayo and most especially nasa Mactan and Shangri-La, of course, talagang mataas yung presyo. But in terms of how big the serving is, that is what we will be seeing later. Nandito na kami ngayon sa entertainment zone. So, ito yung parang time zone nila na kailangan mo ng token. So, bibili ka ng tokens dun sa parang counter doon. And yung tokens, ang pinaka-minimum ay 10 tokens, which is 100 pesos. Good morning. It is our last day here in Shangri-La and it's also our last day here in Cebu. And it's actually already 7:49 and we are heading downstairs to have our breakfast sa Tides na restaurant dito sa Shang. Let's maximize this day. So, magbe-beach kami and magpo-pool ulit kami. And I'll try to find, I think meron din parang jacuzzi dito, steam room and ganun. So, I'll try that later. Ayan. So, yung Tides is actually nandito siya sa mabalang ng lobby. So, ito yung parang pinaka-main entrance. And you will just be going down here. Actually, yun. That's Tides. Kahit nang, well, hindi naman super aga, no? But it's almost 8 a.m. Pero waiting na yung inside tables dito sa Tides. Dahil nga, we want to maximize everything. Dahil dito sa outside na mga tables, walang waiting. As in, ito pa yung mga available na mga tables, no? Medyo madami-dami pa siya. We just opted to eat here outside. Tides, mas wide talaga yung choices. Sinabi nung nag-assist sa amin kagabi sa Aqua, kasi ito yung pinaka-main na breakfast buffet restaurant nila dito. If nag-overflow na yung people dito, pwede din actually mag-breakfast sa Aqua, pero mas limited nga lang yung food na makakain nyo doon. So yung food dito actually is very wide, from Filipino, Korean, Chinese, and then may parang American din pala kasi may mga hash brown. Usual breakfast stuff. Halos same lang din ang selection na meron sa EDSA Shangri-La. Ito yung mga plates namin. Dessert ko, pancake and egg pudding. And yung egg pudding nila dito, ang sarap. So, if you happen to check in here, kunin niyo yung egg pudding nila. We are already here sa beach. And please do not mind my pawis. Sobrang pawisin talaga ako. Kakasabi lang sa amin. Kasi nga, di ba, mabato yung beach dito. You can actually borrow an aqua shoe. So, sasabihin mo na yung size mo sa kanila. Meron kang makikitang mga life vest dyan sa, sa gilid-gilid dyan. You can, ayun pala, like that one. You can also borrow a life jacket. You can borrow that for free. No fees yun. And actually, madami pa palang free na activities dito, like table tennis, badminton. Pwede ka rin humingi ng mga sports gear. I think you can really maximize your stay here sa Shangri-La if you are staying at least 2 nights. Ayun, kasi there's so many things to do and sobrang lawak din niya. I don't think you can maximize it like the entire day, kundi nakakapagod yun. Madidefeat yung purpose ng, you're on a vacation. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Enjoy.
Thank you. swim lang sa pool. And then after that, magja-jacuzzi ako. Then, ayun, get ready na for checkout.
Gabi, stay here beside Mama.
Yan, so tapos na kami mag-swim.
Gabi, you look at Mama, oh.
And nagbigay din sila ng ice towel. Very cold. Ayan.
Again. Again.
So yan actually yung kanilang health club. Diyan yung gym, andyan yung mga sauna, and all of that. And that's where I am going. Health club. Still yung gym.
Just inside na po.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome po. Enjoy po, ma'am.
Thank you. May mga blower na sila and all of that. So you can really get ready dito before you check out. Then guys, na-crunch natin. It's 11:35. Let's go! Checking out in 25 minutes. Bye! Ayan, so nakapag-check out na kami dito. Since nakapag-check out na kami, share ko na sa inyo yung total expenses namin dito no, sa Shangri-La. And take note, si Mama, senior, so meron siyang discount sa mga ganito. And as well as si Gab, meron din. Pero kasi ang ginawa namin, in-apply yung senior citizen discount ni Mama doon sa room itself, which is for 2 people. Si Mama yon and myself. In-apply naman yung PWD discount ni Gab doon sa additional person, which is ang inclusive niya ay breakfast buffet, day bed na pwedeng i-set up pero nag-opt out na kami doon. Then, syempre, yung use pa rin ng facilities dito. So, yung main wing deluxe room is actually 14,725 per night. Yun yung pinaka-base rate niya. But then, you also have, you know, service charge and taxes na pumapatak naman sa 3,349 pesos as of this video to, no? And ang total niya, all in all, ay mga nasa around 18,000. Yun yung hindi discounted. But since, you know, I have Mama here with me, the perks of having traveling with a senior. Yung rate naman ng room na applied na yung senior discount ni Mama is nasa 14,725 naman. So all in all na yun, no, with the discount. But then since kasama din si Gab, yung additional charge niya, which I believe is around 3,600 per night, ang naging discounted na rate na lang ni Gab because of his PWD ID is nasa 3,000 flat na lang. So, all in all, dapat originally ang charges ng room namin, all in all, kasama na yung mga kinain namin for the past day, ay mga nasa around 27,000, no? Pero dahil nga sa mga discount nila, ang naging total na lang ng stay namin dito sa Shangri-La ay 21,057 pesos. I will be ending the vlog here. You know, now that I have turned 30, to be honest, I thought I have my life together, all sorted out better. For example, nung 18 ako, I have so much expectations for myself at a certain age na when you look back at it, it seems silly. At this age, dapat may ganito na ako. At this age, dapat ito na yung narating ko sa buhay. But you know, as you go through life, it doesn't really work as you expected. There are lots of things that happened in my life na hindi ko na-expect and I wasn't prepared for them. Pero, you know, it's just how life is. It honed me to the person that I am today. The 30-year-old person I am today. My 20s, I was blessed to the point that I can also be a blessing to the people around me. And I am very, very thankful for that. I'm excited for the next years to come and what life has in store for me. And, you know, kakayanin natin yan. It's been a great week-long celebration for me. I hope you also enjoyed, you know, the Cebu series that I have shared with you. And if you like this video, go ahead and like this video and also don't be shy to subscribe. Thank you so much for sticking till the end of the video. Bye!